In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import QuickBooks Desktop files into QuickBooks Online. This process can seem a bit daunting at first, but with a clear guide like this, you'll be able to transition smoothly. So let's dive right into the steps to ensure your data migration is successful. Firstly, if you haven't already set up an account on QuickBooks Online, you'll need to head over to their website and sign up. Create your account by following the simple prompts laid out for new users. Once your account is ready, you'll be prompted to sign in if you're a returning user, which is just as straightforward. After signing in, you'll need to enter your account details. Ensure that all your information is correct to avoid any hitches during the migration process. Once everything is accurately filled out, click on the Continue button to proceed to the next step. Don't forget to enter your password on the next screen and hit Continue once again to access your dashboard. Now you've successfully logged into your QuickBooks Online account. The next step is to choose the company file that you wish to import. After selecting the right company, head over to your dashboard. Here, navigate to Settings, a crucial section where you will find the option to start your data import. Click on the Import Data option, and you'll be directed to the import interface. This is where you can click on Import from QuickBooks Desktop. Before you start the import, make sure that your QuickBooks Desktop file is readily accessible on your device. Once you click to import from the desktop, go to your QuickBooks Desktop application. Within QuickBooks Desktop, you'll have several options for what type of data you'd like to bring over to QuickBooks Online, whether it be all your files or just specific parts like lists or transactions. Choose wisely based on your business needs, ensuring you carry over everything necessary for your operations. After you've selected what data to migrate, review what actually comes over. Cross-check to assure all needed details have been successfully transferred. This step is crucial to avoid gaps in your financial records. Finally, if at any point you find this manual process to be too complicated or if there are a lot of files to move, QuickBooks offers an online migration tool. This tool can simplify the transition and might be a better alternative depending on your situation. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can seamlessly import your QuickBooks desktop files into QuickBooks Online. Remember, taking your time with each step helps in preventing errors after migration. Thanks for watching. And be sure to check out our other QuickBooks tutorials for more helpful tech tips.